Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you folks about the Boston Whaler 2017 Montauk. What a phenomenal boat this is. It's 17 feet with a fold-away tongue trailer. Fits in most garages. Bimini comes down. It's great option to be able to keep it in your garage if you've got the space for it. It's got a blue T-top on it. It's powered by the Mercury Verado. It's 4-stroke. And it's also powered by the 115 horsepower. It's a ton of horsepower for this boat. Hops right on a plane, got a great top end. Let's hop on board to see the rest. Here we are on board the 17 Montauk. Let's start at the back of the boat. They've got two nice seating setups here. They're also removable for when you want to, if you want to fish, you can pull them right out, use them for fishing, but for a nice ride, two very comfortable seats. You've got the reversible helm seat here, large storage underneath it, nice helm setup. Plenty of room for a GPS. You can pick anything you want, a Marine, Garmin, you name it. You can add it on it easily. Plenty of room on the headroom on your bimini top. And then we've got the double-seated cooler in the front, so 2 seats there. We've got a really large fish box. You also have a trolling motor panel to easily add the trolling motor on this boat. So, fantastic boat. Fits in the garage. If you want to come down and see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.